about that.
I wonder if you know how you live in Tokyo.
Oh, jeez. Okay, well, he's gone. Sort of. Damn, Daniel. Out of state plates. Or he was probably speeding, dude. Honestly.
We were both going 70.
Where are you going, dude? You could have parked right there.
Oh, he's actually gonna try and run?
He could have parked right there.
Unless he's not stopping.
Wow, what a...
It's about to become a high pursuit chase.
Uh-oh. Or he's not seeing. Or not paying attention. Dude, you... Oh my god, hold on, dude. Slow down, don't... You could have parked over there in the open, but... Jeez. What did I get myself into, Joseph?
Seems like a good guy.
Oh, shit.
What are you mostly after?
The parts?
What, engine, transmission?
No, just the body.
Oh, okay, okay.
Shit.
Yeah, it's a beauty. It's a fucking beauty. Joseph, I'm Heath. You too?
Holy fuck. Sorry, Sebastian.
Anyway.
Holy crap.
Speed, I'll take it. How about a boat? You need a boat, man.
No. He was actually talking about them on his way here.
A tractor? What kind of tractor?
I mean, it's there.
Yeah, I bought that thing in pieces. I had the trailer, I found the boat, and then went to Stockton to actually go get that Mariner. I just put it together, used it a few years. There it sits. And I got title on it. I figure I'll piece that one together and drive it until it breaks or sell it or whatever. Dump it, get rid of it, go to the next one. You know, I got choices like that piece of shit over there. There's more on the other side. Fix as needed. Forward. I just took a BMW down the hill. I had a friend drop off a BMW, and I just drug it back and put it over in the hole. The cut up side.
Oh.
I've been dragging shit in here for years, since it's,
Is this an Integra? That's an Integra. No, the Taggy.
it needs a little detail.
Oh shit, it has the fucking... Oh my god, dude, what the fuck? But it's non-VTEC. Is it standard or automatic?
That's where the tractor comes in. You just drop it and drag it in.
Oh, and it's manual, dude. What the fuck?
It's got a roll bar.
It's got a roll bar too.
Fuck it, put doors, fenders, and then just leave it.
You don't know anything about this one?
No. No, it was, it's been sitting here probably 4 or 5 years. I've had it here on the property.
Actually, look, you didn't even tell you had the frame doors.
Yeah. Holy crap. What the hell? Not bad.
Possibly, yeah. I do a lot of computer junk too. You can just toss it. It's not. I'm not gonna lose it being out of place.
You got this posted?
Huh?
You got this posted on the internet?
No. Well, it's been sitting out and everything. I didn't think it was worth much.
Is it a magma or what is it?
I have no idea. He left, went back into the Marines. Here you go. Matter of fact, one of my trailers down there, I let him borrow for a few months, and then he signed. That's probably the only one that I ever got a title on. I probably still have it. It's finding it, but
It says the same gauge cluster building.
I think two will fit in the back of that truck. I gotta cut up the Kubota and pick it up and set it in there.
Yeah. Look at the painter.
So are you the boss? Are you the one that says yes, no?
No, it's his mom.
Oh. Okay, I've never had Toyota. Or nothing I drove or anything.
Oh my god. I think that's it.
Pass up that GT Toyota emblem.
They go after the GTS one.
Oh, really?
There's another model called the GTS. It has a better engine.
Oh, gotcha.
Do you need anything, Joseph?
No. I don't want to hear that exhaust. It looks like it's a straight pipe actually.
He did say he could flip it over.
I can roll it.
No, I'm saying I want to hear it, not see
Oh,
it. I can see it.
can you flip it over though, just for shits and giggles? I think that's it though. I think that's it, because everything else is just rat.
Hey, you should do that for like an intro to your videos. Just the car getting flipped.
Oh man.
And then run over.
Yeah, holy crap. I just never seen nothing like this.
I got more. If you're interested. That kind of quality shape.
Do you need a glass cleaner, Joseph?
Yeah, really. Yeah, there's an impact and a staple gun.
That's it, right? I'm gonna get the VIN just in case, like, I want to look it up and see the history. I think that's it, dude.
Schindler's List.
Papers in there for
Yeah, I was looking, but it's just, there's just a whole mess.
Why are there two copies of the same book?
Two copies
Oh,
of
this is the movie and that's the book
Oh,
of Schindler's List.
Oh.
yeah, flip it.
Alright.
It's a sad, sad world for this GT. Automatic GT is the worst out of the combination, because there's the GT manual, which is better.
I would imagine you could go with manual anyway, wouldn't you?
Yeah, that's what's worth more. The manual variant is worth more.
I prefer a manual over automatic anyway.
Holy shit, Joseph. Is this the grand finale, Joseph?
Yeah, you might want to back the truck up a little bit. I'm going to push it uphill a little bit so I can roll it right there. Just in case. Oh, come on.
No.
God damn it.
Wow, this would have had so much in back fees, dude. I didn't even realize that. That is shot black. That's still kind of pink and red. I basically have a whole Tsunami Celica in the back. Fuck, this fucking guy, man. Destroyed it, but we could shape it back with a heat gun. Got airbags, tail headlights and tail lights somewhere. Huh? He has that. You can excavate it out of here, right? Well, at least I got a lot of the stuff to get it back up and running. Holy crap. No, thank you. Poor hard top, but it was a GT automatic. Holy shit.
And throw it down, run it over, run the dirt in.
This wouldn't have made it. It wouldn't have made it home.
That's traction.
It wouldn't have made it home.
All for a dolly?
No, we were gonna. So I've done this before. We took off the crash bar and we installed the one I have in my back, and we would just flat tow it home.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we've done that before.
Gotcha. Okay,
with different cars, but it wouldn't have made it because.
Oh, there's your spares.
Nah, it's all good.
Yeah, say let me drag it, that's all.
Made in Germany? What kind of shocks are made in Germany? Or the springs?
I take it you don't get much time with cars upside down, you can crawl up and bounce on and everything else.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's
It's not stock.
it's not stock, but
Yeah, if you look at it, it's flaring right there a little
That's
bit.
not even the stock muffler.
yeah. I think this is just the cheap cheap eBay muffler.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, it's worth nothing. The ones that are worth money are, they say TRD on them on the
okay.
side, but it's not that. Is that it, Joseph?
Don't worry about it. It'll probably empty more when I go to flip it over. So I'll just throw it back in and drag it back down the hill.
Yeah.
They slide really well on upside down. Move them around like that. They do slide well. Matter of fact, my tilt bed, my flatbed trailer, it's got a steel deck, and you know, whenever you get sheet metal on the deck, it is slippery. You better make sure you're tied down, or you're gonna lose it.
Well, at least the glass didn't break.
Yeah. That's all right. I got so much dirt work to do around here. The rain, the runoff.
Yeah.
Just handle that. All right, drag your cars around.
All right, I think that's it, Heath.
Sure, now's the time to pull them wheels.
Nah, as I said, these are a little bit dated. They're from like early 2000s.
Oh, really?
Yeah, people don't like. It's not what's in style right now.
Oh, gotcha. Well, I got none, so I wouldn't know.
I mean, you got the pickup. That's what's up.
It's real cool.
Yeah.
That's the best pulling truck I've ever pulled with. Run down to the valley, go to Sanger and get hay, 80 bales, throw it on a triaxle, and I can run up 41 up there 200, which is fairly steep passing lane climb,
Yeah.
at 75 and stomp it and start climbing. That freaking truck's cool.